Hey everyone, it's Hungry Hedone, and today we got Dairy Queen. See? Got the Superman promo. We got a new Blizzard. This one's called the Mixing Bowl Mashup. And what it is it's brownie batter and cookie dough mixed together in a vanilla ice cream. But when it's mixed around, it looks all chocolatey. Let's go in and take a bite. Oh wow. It's so sugary. It's very decadent. You can taste a lot of sugar. Wow, it's good. It's a little too sugary for me. The chocolate is nice. It's got that gritty taste from the cookie dough. You can taste the brownie. It really does taste like what it is. For me, it's a little too much. It's too much, but it is good. It does taste good. It's just I don't like the texture as much because it has that gritty, battery taste. So, but overall, if you love batter and you love cookie dough, this is the one for you. All right, we're gonna wash it down with the Saratoga water. I've always wanted to try this, and this is my first time trying it. And I got my fancy Dollar Tree goblet here. See, you can tell that it is the real deal. Let's give it a try. I mean, it tastes like water, but it does go down smooth. I can understand the hype over how it has all these extra purities and whatnot, but it is just water. It's really for the fancy blue bottle. I mean, come on, that's gorgeous. That's my favorite color, blue. All right, guys, go get yourself some Saratoga water just for fun. And the Blizzard, if you like the texture and you love the taste of chocolate, this is the one for you. All right, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.